Hi everyone, it's Shane from Hanlon's for another Maintenance Monday. Today we're going to talk about preservative applicators. So no matter what you have for an applicator on your baler, now we've hit some moisture and we'll get those thunder showers and guys will be scrambling to get some baling done quickly. So what you should be doing is checking your preservative applicator to make sure that everything is functioning properly. If possible, if you still have it set up from winter time, put some water in there and make sure that nothing has sprung a leak from frost. And then the other thing is run some of that water through the system so that you can check and see what your spray pattern is on your nozzles, and if your pumps are creating pressure. So you just put it into manual mode and then let it run so that you can see what's going on down at the pickup. Go through, clean the screens on your nozzles, possibly clean those nozzles with a toothbrush. Don't use any kind of a wire brush because you damage the orifices in the tips. But run it all through, run a bit of water through there to see, and then after that you can load it up with preservative and be confident that when you need it, you can just push the button and away you go. Hopefully that helps you out. Thanks for watching.